Alright y'all, I'm back working on this old 63 Chevy. Fixing to get this top panel put on. Let me show you what I'm going to start doing first. Got this windshield panel. I'm going to get clamped up here. Mounted in, start welding up. As you can tell, when I'm putting my mat down, I got 10 sheets of this. 1 foot by 1 foot. Got it all on here. Sounding real good. Sounds the same from the bottom. I got my rust encapsulator all through here, all the way around. That's what I used right there. Spray down on all the crevices and cracks and stuff like that. Here's what I use for the panel. Right there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld this piece on real quick. I may go ahead and temporarily put the top on there, just lay it on there for now so I can get all this welded just to see where I'm at. Then when I get it welded up, I've got to come back through and hit this brace here on the panel that I'm putting on right here. I'll weld it up like it was originally and get on with it. Let's get started. Alright, I already got the roof skin set up here, temporary. Just to kind of give me a guide here what to go with. I got everything drilled out all the way down. About 2.5, 2 3/4, all the way through. Pretty much like the original factory. You can see in here, this is a new piece I put in from here to here, all the way down. So everything's pre-drilled. So I'll get the new piece put in. I put it up there and I marked each one of them and kind of sanded down. I sanded down all the old E-coat and I put some black epoxy on it. Already got this piece ready to go. This little piece right in here on the end, I had to shave down a little bit to make it fit real good. It was originally this high. I don't know, 1/4 inch to a 3/8 high. So I had to shave down to make it fit here flush. So I want that to all look good right there. So everything's fitting real nice all the way down. So yeah, I'm gonna get to welding. Let's get it all clamped up. Alright y'all, I just started another day here. Got everything clamped up last night, looking real good. As you can see, I had to make a splice right here in order to make this fit, coming around this groove. Everything looks pretty good now, so I'm ready to weld. The other side turned out real good. I had to slide it around a little bit to make it fit, but like I said, that's what I ended up with right there. So I'll stitch that up and get on with it. So let me start welding this panel on the bottom above the windshield. Here we go. Alright, after getting everything welded in here, as you can see across the top, everything's good. Just got to grind everything down. On this other side, we got it welded up. Still got to grind it down. It's looking real good running through there. I'll do my seam sealer right here. I'm going to get the roof skin off, get these welded up, and a little bit more welding on some of these braces on the inside. Here we go. Alright, got this panel put in. Went on and put some self-etching primer on it for now, black all the way around it. Still got to do some body work in a few little places. Do my seam sealer. Smooth it out real nice. Went on up top. Put some seam sealer all through there real good. Probably didn't need to, but I did anyway. All the way around. Had an old broke down tube right there, as you can see. Painted all that in there with the brush. Shot it black. I'm ready to go with this roof skin. I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes on this panel right here. Probably 2 inches all the way around. Pretty much like what it showed originally. It was probably 2 1/4 to 2 inches. There it is right there. The little spots where you can see where I cut them through. So I'll go ahead and get all that cut in. Get ready for this roof skin. So worked out good. Happy with it. I'm going to leave it at that. Like I said, I'll come through here and drill all this. Do this on the next video. Y'all take it easy.